Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Very good morning. Welcome to this morning online session. And I hope you're all doing well. All are safe and sound.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good to know that. Very good to know that. So the topic for today is we will be understanding how to do a book review. So the topic for today you can write down is book review. We're going to understand how to do the book review. Now this book review is quite similar to the film review. Again, we will have, just a second, let me put down the topic at the top. Sorry, I went wrong in the way I wrote. It should have been, it is under directed writing. We are doing directed writing, and under that, the next topic that we are doing is book review. Okay, so we are doing question 2. I hope you remember. I am again and again sharing. This is in the board exam, in your exam. This is the way it would be. So question 2, this is A part. This is A part, directed writing. A part is all about directed writing, and this is 15 marks. I hope you remember. You can again put it down in your registers, please, so that since this question is so new for you, you've not done it in 9th and 10th earlier. Therefore, I am sharing it once again. That question 2 is directed writing, and we are doing A part. This question 2 has a B part also, which I'll do later. As of now, we are doing A part, and this is about 15 marks, and we have already done, which was the other topic we have done under directed writing. Yes,
Film review.
very good. Very good. So you already know so much, right? Wonderful. I'm so happy about that. So we have already done film review, and I don't know if we can put a tick or not, but this is over. This is something which we have finished. So similarly, in film review, like we had 15 points, I mean, the question I gave you had 15 points or as many points. That's not your headache. Points can be 8, points can be 6, points can be 4, not your headache. Only thing is, yesterday I forgot to mention one thing, and that is you need to be careful. Okay, tell me, what is the very first thing we need to be very careful about? What is the very first thing we need to be very careful about when we are doing this question on direct?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
All right. What is the very first thing we need to be very clear about when we are doing this question? What is the very first thing?
Name.
read the points. There are points given. Read the points given. Then what do we do after that? Next thing, what do we do? What did you do when you were doing film review? What was the next thing you did? Keep talking. Like I said, I'm sharing all these works on YouTube. So it'll be good if you talk so that you can actually hear your voice also and you'll understand better. What is the next thing? What is the next important thing you need to do?
Outline.
No. Give a title. You remember we gave a title, Dil Bechara, Tare Zameen
Yes.
Par. You wrote it as a title. You know, you
Yes.
wrote it as a title. So we now give a title based on what?
On book.
Based on the question. Based on the question. Whatever is the question, we will read. If it says film review, then you will write down the name of the film there. If it's a book review, common sense, what is it that we write there?
Book.
Name of the book. Okay, so read the points given. Try and give me these points based on your experience of writing the film review. So you read all the points first. Of course, you read the question first. है ना? Definitely, you're supposed to be reading the. Let me still put it down. Needless to put it down, but after. After I'm changing it to, you can keep putting down these points, please. After reading the question, what are you supposed to do? Read the points given, whichever number they may be. So you don't have to worry about that. Then start writing your answer, and for the first thing will be give a title based on the title. I'll make it as, oh my God, look at the weather outside. It's changing and it's so wonderful. For example, is it equally good at your place? Name
Yes, ma'am.
of the, and
Yes,
it's,
yes,
this
ma'am.
is wonderful. I don't know if you're all enjoying these kind of classes. I have started really enjoying now. I don't find them troublesome because there's nothing I can do about them. And a name of the film, or it can be here, name of the film or name of the. Oh, this is something that I'm learning. This is so difficult to type. Okay, so read the points given carefully. Oh, this is really a storm. Oh my God. Just a second, children. Could you hang on for a minute? I'm back. I'm back. All right. So we do, after reading the question, we read the points very carefully. Then we give a title based on the question. It could be name of the film, name of the book, and then we'll do other things. We are actually studying reviews. All right. So our topic here are, these are the points you have to keep in mind. And this is all about reviews, that if it's a review, then what are the things you have to keep in mind? Directed writing, and we are doing reviews here. These are the rules for writing any review. Any other thing, then it is different. Okay, so we are doing about, after reading the question, read the points even carefully. Then we have a title based, and you give a title. Okay, tell me the next point. What did you do after that? Tell me from your experience when you did film review. What was the next thing you did?
Ma'am, released.
No, release would be
Ma'am, about ma'am, we have to write about that. It is very interesting or something like that.
what is that? That you are going for the points, isn't it?
Ma'am, paragraph on each point.
Oh, wonderful. Who was this? Give me your name.
Ma'am, Tejasvi.
Very good, Tejasvi. That is great.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful. So put down that as the next point in your register. Very good. We now look at every point. Each point needs, I'm putting it a little differently, needs to be elaborated in a paragraph. You got the point right? I hope I've written it right for you. That's what you said? That's what you meant? Each point needs to be elaborated in a paragraph. Now, what do we do next? Think about what you did when you were doing film review. That's the way we'll be doing book review. What was the next thing you all did?
About the name of the film.
No, child. Again, we are getting into a particular topic. I'm not talking about a topic. General review when you wrote, what were the things you were very careful about? When you wrote about a producer,
Plot.
just a second.
Name of the author.
Just a second. When you write name of the author or when you write producer, isn't that what are you doing? Each point you are elaborating into a paragraph, isn't it? That's what you're doing. Let me put it as 1, 2. I think that will be better. So then we'll remember what exactly we are doing. Yeah. So what was the next thing you did here? If it's written book, if it's written author, you will write about the author. If it's about setting, you will write about the setting. So that is called this point. Each point needs to be elaborated in a paragraph. That's what you're doing. So what is the next thing that you did actually? Think, quick, quick, quick. Very simple thing.
Ma'am, plot.
But a plot is a point given. And each point you have to change into a paragraph. So that is point number 3 that you're telling me. अब पैराग्राफ लिख लिया आपने एक पॉइंट पर, उसके बाद क्या करा था?
Ma'am, keyword को underline.
Keywords.
Yes, who was this? Tell me your name.
Ma'am,
Anjali. Anjali and Janvi both.
Anjali and
Both.
Anjali and Janvi. Okay, very good. So I think you both have taken away the award, huh? Underline the key word. See, are you getting understanding now what I'm trying to do?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? That we are trying to understand what are the rules of writing any review is what I'm trying to tell you. Now, अंदर में क्या points है वो तो आपको आ गया, elaborate करना है उस पर. Next point, quickly. Next point. What was the next thing you did? फिर क्या करा? अब यहाँ पर एक point है जो कल miss हो गया था. We missed out on this. Now, and you have to check out whether after writing all the paragraphs, you know, each point, if there are 10 points, then 10 paragraphs, 12 points, then 12 paragraphs. This is what we decided. है ना? Ultimately, you have to see whether you have been able to write 300 words or not. Now, have a look at your film review. You've all done the work. Have a look at your film review. Roughly count and quickly tell me, is it coming to 300 words, around 300 words or not, like we do the check in composition writing. You remember from there also we check whether there are 400 words or not. Here, give a check that have you elaborated each point in such a big paragraph that it comes to 300 words or not. Quickly do it and let me know, were you able to do a 300 word or not? Are you all counting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how much is it coming to? Let me know. Keep on the mic and talk. How many words, you know? This paragraph has 10 words. Count up the words for every paragraph and write in the margin or after it, you know, in a bracket. Say name of the film, Thana. See and tell me how many words could you get for that. Keep telling me, all of you. Don't wait for a 300.
Ma'am, 8. Ma'am, 8.
Name of the film is 8. All right, put it in a paragraph. Next one was producer, director. What are you getting for that?
I'm released.
Okay, release. How many words in that paragraph?
12.
Okay,
12.
great. All of you give me?
11.
Okay, 11. Somebody else? Others?
Ma'am, producer, 12.
Okay, go on, go on, go on.
Ma'am, producer 13.
All of you keep telling me. Yes, go on. Keep counting.
Producer and director 13.
Okay.
Ma'am, director, 11.
Go on.
Ma'am, director 15.
Vaishnavi, are you there? You can take up all this right now so that, you know, you indirectly your work will also be checked right here online. All right. All of you keep talking so that, you know, your work is also checked in this way.
Ma'am, cast 20.
Cast 12.
Okay.
Cast, ma'am, 41.
41. Okay, great.
Yes.
Ma'am, cast 25.
Okay, go on.
Ma'am, playback singer, 24.
Okay, great.
Suitability 18.
Okay.
Ma'am, suitability 24.
Only I hear only 2 voices. We have other students also in the class. How will you get your marks for half yearly then?
Ma'am, plot 27.
Just a second. Do you know your half yearly has started? Do you know this? Every class is being given marks. Now online exams are very different. Online exams are happening every day. online examination, last year, you did not give exam for some papers, and on the base of your assignments, classwork, pre-boards, all that, you were given marks. You know that very well, class 10.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes,
It,
ma'am.
it,
yes, ma'am.
it is quite possible even this year it will be same. So therefore, whatever you are submitting, writing, answering, all is getting recorded. Everything is getting recorded, and the council can ask us that send us, what the child said in the class, how did he participate, है ना? And let me tell you, for your half yearly, 40 marks are for the way you talk in the class, you interact in the class, you submit your classwork, you do everything in the class. So 40 marks I'll be giving you for this. For 40 marks there will be a paper. Together your half yearly is 80 marks. So 40 marks are for your everyday assignment, classwork and all that, and the rest of the marks are for the written paper which we'll have later. So therefore be careful and be interact more. Yes, all together review. Okay, how many? Count up now. Tell me together. How many?
Ma'am, playback singer 61.
No,
Singer
now,
20.
37.
now you tell me total, because
Ma'am, playback singer
when
42.
when I was talking, you should have counted for each paragraph. Multitasking करते हैं, सुनते भी जाते हैं, काम करते हैं. तब तक तो पूरा total हो गया होगा. Tell me the total of the whole review.
Ma'am, 256. Ma'am, 247.
Go on, I'm listening.
Ma'am, 40.
40. Whole review is 40.
Yes, ma'am.
Whole review. I need to see this. Who's this? Yeah, show me. Come on the mic, please. I really want to see this. That means something is going wrong there. Switch on your video and show me the work, please. Who's this? Tell me.
Ma'am Neha.
Okay, Neha, let's take up this work, child, so that we can understand what's going wrong, because your marks are really important for this. So let me help you. Neha, please show your work on video so that we can all understand why is it 40. Anyone else who's struggling and can tell me? So I'll take up your work on video and we will quickly go through it just now. Vaishnavi, you can also put it up on the video. Anyone else? Anyone who wants to show the work quickly, because classroom is the place where we see the work. Right? WhatsApp, it's very difficult for me to see any work. Please show your work while we are in the classroom. So quickly show it.
274.
All right. I'm talking about video sharing. Who is doing the video sharing? Vaishnavi is doing it. Great, Vaishnavi. All right, let me see your work. All right, directed writing. Very good. You'll have to write on 15 marks on the side, and you'll have to write on question 2A part. You saw my screen just now. Question 2A part, directed writing, and then you'll have to write down at the end 15 marks. And now question. Very good. Dil bechara. Put a tick on the left in the margin. Neha, please show me your work. See, the only way the correction is done is now when you switch on the video and show me the work. This is called corrections of your work. Earlier you used to submit. Yes. Now, Vaishnavi, could you shift the second page, please?
Ma'am, total 385.
Okay. Just give me a second. 385. Okay. Vaishnavi, the second page, please. Okay. Do I see the underlinings? Yes, I see the underlinings. The Dil Bechara. What is your this performance? Is that your performance point or what? Last paragraph after plot. Great performance. Okay, next page. Very neat work. Good work. Oh, wonderful. It doesn't seem you're writing the review for the first time. Huh? Have you all been writing the reviews before? Huh?
No, ma'am.
No,
No?
ma'am.
We
You
have
all
done it.
you've done it for the first time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh
ma'am.
my God, all of you doing so wonderful. It seems as if you all are journalists and you already have been writing for some newspaper. All right,
Thank
good. This is really
Thank you,
wonderful.
ma'am.
I'm so happy about it. Sound effects, good. Then this. Okay, now tell me the words in each paragraph. Vaishnavi, you've not calculated child for each paragraph. I gave you classwork just now. Hai na? All right, all good. Quickly tell me the number of words in each paragraph. Now, who's showing me the work where you've written the number of words for each paragraph? Anyone who's ready with this? Yes, who's showing me? I said nobody.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, 304 words.
How many? 300?
304.
All right, so you're safe. So this is another concern. Look at my point number 5, which I have put up on the screen. Altogether, review should be around 300 words. Actually, directed writing, whatever different topics we'll be doing, it should come to around 300 words. 304 is fine. Maybe if you have 290, it is all right, plus or minus 10. But somebody said 385. Now that's too much. So that particular child, I don't remember who was that, will have to reduce some words from some paragraph. We'll have to reduce some words from some paragraph. So that's what you have to remember and you have to learn to do. Now there's another thing, point number 6. I'm taking up point number 6 now, and that is one error which most of you have done, and I did not take it up yesterday, but I'm now telling you, so you'll have to change a lot of things, and that would be reviews are in present tense. Check out your tense. Have you written in present tense?
Yes, ma'am.
The whole review is in present tense. There
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
I hope there is no was, no had, no were. Check out your language. Yesterday I was telling you that language, there are 50% marks for language. I'm writing it in bold. Reviews are written in present tense. Now, whether that's a book review or a film review, you will have to remember this, that reviews are written in present tense. So check out your work. In case it is not, you know why I have not asked you for submissions. This is the reason why I have not asked you for a submission, because I know that there can be many mistakes, and there is no problem, no point in taking submission just now.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, I have one doubt.
sure.
Ma'am, uh, I have written the film review on Dil Bechara, and I wrote that Sushant Singh was an excellent actor because he is no more.
He is no more
So
is correct. He is no more, therefore was is correct. Very good. है ना? Since you're talking about an actor who is in real life no more, then it is all right. But actually, you know what? Still, it would be better if you practice it in present tense.
okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
Yeah. So this is a caution thing, because actually when you'll be writing a film review, we don't imagine that who was Sushant. We are not talking of any real actors. We are talking about your skill of writing a film review. We are not bothered who is Sushant, who is Ashant, who is Vikrant. No, it doesn't matter to us. We will be checking your present tense. You getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? It's not about name. That's why I said you can even write Vaishnavi, you can write Ojasvi, you can write Mohit, you can write Harsh, any name. It doesn't matter. Marks are not for names. So therefore, all of you check it out. What about the others? Which tense have you used? Read a couple of sentences and let me know.
Ma'am, I also have a doubt.
Yes, do say.
Ma'am, in the date of release point, I wrote I
We
written
lost,
2020.
we lost your voice. Could you come again?
Ma'am, in the date of release point, I was written. It was released on 24th July 2020.
It released on. We will remove the word was. It released on. For all of you, this is for all of you. It released on and directly the date.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, so that's how you will learn. You will try and check your work and do that. So I hope you're getting a little more clearer. Look, children, I am not taking every single thing in only one session, because then you will not be able to learn better. I'm going slow, slow, with each time I will tell you something different. And I think I'm almost done today with entire reviews now. Almost I'm finished. I'll just go over your work and see if there are any other errors. Then I may share something more. But I think most of the points you have understood, that you have to give a title, then you have to give, and in this case, the title is name of the film or the book. I'm talking of reviews, because for your half yearly, you are marked on reviews. I'll be marking you on reviews, and very soon I will be giving you a class test on which you will be marked. So that is what I will check. So this is something you can keep showing me online, and I can take a class test any day. I'm not going to announce it that tomorrow will be the class test. No. When you're in class 11, every day is a test. Any day it can be a test. There will be no pre-telling to you that on 4th there will be a test. So you just have to be in the class every day and take a test. Good. You miss the test, you're absent, it's a 0. Because being absent means 0. So take care on that, all of you. I hope you do
Okay.
understand that. So I hope all these points are clear. You're very clear. I know you have understood that you have to read the question first, then you have to read the points very carefully, and we have to attempt and write down the points in the same order, preferably, isn't it? सेटिंग है तो पहले
Yes.
सेटिंग आएगा, परफॉर्मेंस है तो परफॉर्म. ऐसा नहीं कि लास्ट वाले को उठा के शुरू में कर दिया. दैट कैन बी अ प्रॉब्लम. Then we have to elaborate each point in a paragraph, whatever are the points that you have understood. Then very important, we underline the keyword. Keep counting every paragraph, kitna aa raha hai, how many words, so that together when you total, it's very easy to give a total that it is coming to 290 or 400. In the beginning, you can keep doing that. And very important that keep it in present tense. Today, I'll be probably posting a sample of a book review to you, and have a good read of it, go through it, understand it, and then I will give you the question tomorrow and we'll work upon it. I hope all of you are clear on this now.
Yes, ma'am.
And film review and book review are absolutely the same, in the sense, if it says plot, you write about the plot. It says whatever are the points, what is the name of the author, who is the publisher. So there we have a producer and a director, here we have a publisher. Therefore, I will send today a clip of a model book review, so you can have a good look at it, understand it, and tomorrow we will work upon a review during the class, so that you can practice it all right. Any other
Okay, ma'am.
query? Any other query about today's session? You may ask. Otherwise, we'll close the class.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
That's wonderful. I'm happy to hear that, because let me ask specifically all the children. Divya, please let me know. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Achal,
Yes, ma'am.
Anjali,
Yes, ma'am.
Anuradha, are you clear or you have some doubts, Anuradha? Already you can chat me in case there's some problem with the mic. You can always put it in the chat if you're having a problem. Otherwise, I want to hear your voice, because I said I'm putting it all up, on YouTube for your benefit, so that you can even go through a recording. In case you forget, you can always play it there and see what had Madam taught. Anurag.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, very good. Harsh.
Yes, ma'am.
Good to know. Good to hear your voice also. Ketan.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Pratna.
Yes, ma'am.
Khushi.
Yes, ma'am.
Nancy.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow. Wonderful. I'm so happy today. Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
I like the confidence in your voices. I'm enjoying all that. Ria.
Yes, ma'am.
Simran.
Yes, ma'am.
Tejasvi.
Yes, ma'am.
And Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, you
I forgot.
name.
Tell me which name quick before it runs out.
Janvi.
All right, Janvi.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have I left any other name quick before we finish
Ma'am,
this
Kunal
session?
Verma.
Kunal, yes, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone else? I've forgotten, then you can just say, ma'am, me, Anuradha, I have understood, so your voice gets recorded.